Hydrangea, commonly named the hortensia, is a beautiful addition to any garden. One of the most fascinating things about hydrangeas is their ability to change color. Imagine having blue hydrangeas one year and pink the next. This color-changing magic is not a myth. With a little understanding and some simple techniques, you can encourage your hydrangeas to bloom in your favorite shades. Get ready to take notes and learn the secrets of hydrangea color transformation.
Watch till the end of the video to get bonus tips from us on how to achieve color transformation using common household items. If you want to support the work we do, please make sure to subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us create more great content for you. Now let's turn your gardening dreams into a vibrant reality.
The secret to changing hydrangea colors lies in the soil. More specifically, it's all about the soil's pH level. The pH scale measures how acidic or alkaline a substance is. For hydrangeas, this scale holds the key to their color transformation. Think of it like a magic trick, but instead of a wand, we have soil pH. Acidic soil with a pH below 6 unlocks blue hues in hydrangeas. Alkaline soil with a pH above 7 favors pink and red tones.
Knowing your soil's pH is the first step. You can easily test your soil using a home testing kit. These kits are available at garden centres and are very simple to use. Once you know your soil's pH, you can adjust it accordingly to achieve the desired hydrangea colours.
To encourage blue blooms, we need to create acidic soil conditions. Aluminum sulfate is a gardener's best friend for this task. It's a soil amendment that lowers the pH, making aluminum more available to the plants. Start by sprinkling aluminum sulfate around the base of your hydrangeas in early spring. Be sure to follow the instructions on the product label for the correct amount to use. Water the area thoroughly after application.
You can also use other organic materials to acidify the soil, such as pine needles, coffee grounds or peat moss. These materials will gradually lower the pH over time. Remember, patience is key when it comes to changing hydrangea colours. It might take a full growing season or even longer to see the transformation.
So, how do we make hydrangea bright pink? To encourage pink blooms of hydrangea, we need to raise the soil pH to make it more alkaline. Lime is our go-to amendment for this task.
It's a natural material that effectively neutralizes soil acidity. Just like with aluminum sulfate, apply lime around the base of your hydrangeas in early spring. Follow the instructions on the product label for the correct application rate. Water well after application to help the lime penetrate the soil. Other options for raising soil pH include wood ash or crushed oyster shells. These materials release alkaline compounds into the soil as they decompose. Remember, gradual changes are better for your plants, so avoid over-applying any amendments. Always follow the product instructions and avoid making drastic changes too quickly. Hydrangeas are quite adaptable, but sudden changes can stress the plant.
Once you've achieved your desired hydrangea colors, it's important to maintain the right soil conditions. Regular soil testing is crucial. Aim to test your soil pH at least once a year, preferably in the spring. Based on the test results, you can adjust the soil pH as needed using the methods we've discussed.
Consistent care is essential for keeping your hydrangeas blooming in your favorite shades year after year. Regular watering is also important, especially during dry periods. Mulching around your hydrangeas with organic matter like bark chips or compost can help retain soil moisture and regulate temperature. Remember, healthy plants are more likely to display vibrant colours.
Changing hydrangea colors is a rewarding gardening endeavor.
With a little effort and a dash of patience, you can transform your garden into a vibrant tapestry of hydrangea hues. If you liked our tips, please support us by subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching and happy gardening.